Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by forcing a reboot to clear transient hangs. Hold power and volume down for about 10 to 20 seconds until the Samsung logo appears. While it reboots, make sure the battery has at least 15% and plug into the original charger. This prevents power-related instability. If your phone still feels sluggish, eject the SD and SIM to rule out corrupted media or network handshake issues. Once done, confirm the home screen loads and note any apps that crash immediately so you can address them next. Once in safe mode, only system apps run, so you can isolate third-party culprits. Reboot into safe mode by long pressing power, then touch and hold power off and choose safe mode. Now uninstall any apps installed just before the problem started, and clear app caches for offenders through Settings App Storage Clear Cache. Make sure to update Android system and apps. Updates often fix compatibility bugs, so go to Settings Software Update and Google Play. After updates, reboot normally and check responsiveness. If freezes persist, back up everything, photos, contacts, messages, to Samsung Cloud, Google, or a computer. This step is essential. Then perform a factory reset by going to Settings General Management Reset Factory Data Reset. This removes persistent software corruption. After the reset, reinstall only trusted apps and monitor performance. If problems continue even on a fresh system, make sure to contact Samsung Service or use Smart Switch Repair. Hardware faults like failing storage or overheating can mimic hangs, so professionals may need to diagnose it.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.